Hello, I'm Tim with RetroBrite. I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix your old fluorescent lights with RetroBrite fixtures. I have a common 8-foot fluorescent strip light on our test stand, just like many of you have in your business, your shop, or your garages. In about 10 minutes, this fixture will be making more light with less electricity. And incidentally, the T12, like so many of you have, has been banned by the Department of Energy. Sometime in the near future, these fixtures or components will no longer be available. And as the nation's inventory of these bulbs and ballasts is depleted, the cost of these components will continue to rise until they are no longer available. Okay, let's get started. Let me show you how easy it really is to fix one of these old fluorescent lights. The first thing, disconnect the light from the power source. Always make sure you have it disconnected from the power source. And we can start by removing the bulbs. I'm going to remove these old ballast covers. And we're going to remove this ballast. We won't need this ballast anymore. Okay, now we're ready to hang the RetroBrite fixture. We're going to hang the RetroBrite fixture by the specially designed clip. We're going to hang it into the same holes you just removed the ballast cover from. Once you hang the RetroBrite fixture, both your hands will be free to make wiring connections. Okay, now we're making our wiring connections. We're going to connect the black wire to the incoming power supply. And let's go ahead and make real good connections because we have no more need to ever be under these covers again. Once we install these RetroBrite fixtures, we don't need that ballast and none of that stuff anymore. Okay, we connected our white wire to our common. Okay, now we're going to connect our green wire or our ground. And that's it. Okay, now we're going to just swing our RetroBrite fixture into place. And we're going to use the quarter turn fastener like we used when we took off the ballast cover a while ago. Now you will never need to buy special bulbs or ballast again. And any future maintenance is no more complicated than removing a bad bulb and screwing in a new bulb. Okay, let's review. We took our old 8-foot bulbs. We don't need them anymore. We trashed them. We trashed the ballast covers. We trashed the ballast. We snapped on the RetroBrite fixtures. And now we screwed in LED bulbs and CFL bulbs of your choice. And future maintenance is gone except for screwing in a bulb. You make more light. You use less electricity. Thank you for watching this presentation.